Hey, what's up guys? It's Pav here from mysoundpacks.com. Today we're going to be looking at a free loop pack that I have created here for you guys on mysoundpacks.com. It's called Destiny. And all of these loops are like Rich the Kid, UFO kind of weird, unique kind of sounds inspired. You can use them to create like this unique kind of hip hop beats and trap beats. They're all free to use. You can use these loops for free. They're royalty free loops which you can use on your beats. Apart from that, let's go straight into this, and yeah. Alright, my sound packs. So guys, the first one is 145 C major called Nero. And the one below it is called Nero Part 2, which is 145 beats per minute, which is C major. And the one below this, guys, is called Odes, and this is 145 that I created. Check this out. This is G major. So that's that one. And next one is called Skies, C major, probably one of my favorite on here. Check this out. Really cool kind of background melody there, guys. That's 145 C major again. Utopia, probably one of my favorite. I think this is the one from the main here pack that I put a lot of effort into. So you guys can make some really sick beat with that one. Hope you guys enjoyed this. And the last one in this pack is called Zico, 145 beats per minute, C major. And this one is my favorite. Let's listen to this one again. Hey. Hey. So there you go, guys.